Hello, welcome back to Learn Economia. Having discussed a lot about the various problems in regression analysis with respect to the Gauss-Markov theorem, here we are going to look into two different models, the Logit model and the probit model. Before understanding the difference between these two models, let's understand that whether it is Logit model or it is probit model, these two models are used when you attempt to model some dichotomous dependent variables. That means that if your dependent variable has got two values like yes or no, agree or disagree, like or dislike, etc. In these cases, you can use these models. There are certain problems you would be facing while using these models. The problems with utilizing the familiar linear regression line are most easily understood visually. But if you are going for Logit and probit models, you are able to capture this yes or no, agree, disagree, like, dislike, etc. kind of questions. But even if you are able to deal with these questions, you would be facing certain difficulties with respect to these models. I'll be doing that, doing a video on that, not in this particular session. I'll be doing that separately. Okay, before that, let's understand that these two models. Coming specifically to Logit model, this is something which uses some cumulative distribution function of logistic distribution. If you look at the difference between this Logit and probit model, when Logit model looks into cumulative distribution function of logistic distribution, the probit model uses cumulative distribution function of standard normal distribution. Okay, both the functions will take numbers like 0, 1, etc. 1 indicates one particular aspect and 0 indicates the opposite of that. Specifically to logistic regression, we can see that this is appropriate if your dependent variable has got binary character. Like all the regression analysis, logistic regression too is a predictive kind of analysis. This is used to describe data. This is used to explain relationship between one dependent variable, which is binary, and several independent variables. Coming to some assumptions of Logit model, you can see that your dependent variables, first of all, it should be dichotomous. It should have only two values like yes or no, like or dislike, agree or disagree kind of things. And also there should be no outliers in the data. And if you have outliers, Logit model would be problematic. And there should not be correlations, or there should not be any kind of multicollinearity among the predictor variables. Your independent variables should not be collinear. So that is what I have told in the beginning, that we'll be facing certain difficulties if you are running binary logistic regression, if you do not care for all these kinds of things. So when you do binary logistic regression, you have to make it sure that you are away from multicollinearity problems, problems with respect to outliers, etc. Now, coming specifically to probit model, this is also known as a probability kind of a model, which is used to perform a regression for binary outcome variables. You will be having certain possibilities like yes or no, positive, negative, single, not single, etc. The word probit itself is actually a combination of probability and unit. And this model estimates the probability of a value will fall into one of the possible binary outcomes. The predictive values from probit model, this is something which is similar to EZ score. So a probit value of -3 has around 1.13% chance of success. 0 value means 50% chance of success. 1 means 84% chance of success, and 3 means 99% chance of success. There have been many other methods apart from Logit model and probit model, which has got similar, which has got similarity with Logit model and probit model. So Halding T2, this is another method. This too uses some binary variables with a couple of data changes. Here the binary outcome variable would become the grouping variable, and the predictor variables would become the predictor variables would become the outcome variables. Okay. Although you can run the test in different ways, a couple of major problems would be there. You would be facing a couple of problems, like you won't get coefficient for each of the individual variable, and there are chances for your predictor variables to get impacted as a result of this. And then you will be having the usual Euler's thing, that is the ordinary least square regression, which is called a linear probability model. Here too you can go for binary variables. Your dependent variable can be binary. Uh, Here it is not recommended to go for Euler's with binary outcome variables, as any results from hypothesis tests will be invalid. So this is something very much important to take care of. Two, group discriminant function analysis is another method, which is a multivariate method for binary outcome variables. Next, we will be looking into the various aspects of these models in the coming videos. With that, I request you to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and also you can be a part of my Telegram channel and Telegram group to discuss your doubts. You can you will be given the details, links, everything in the description box. You can use the same and be a part of my Telegram group and Telegram channel to make your discussions there. And also I am asking you that if you want me to do any of the videos, you can tell the topic. You can comment that in the comment box. And this Logit and probit model is actually a requested video. So I'll be taking it up. Your request will be taken up. You can give the request there, or you can tell the topic in the comment box. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.